Hey everyone, welcome back to my channel. If you're a YouTube creator or just someone who loves engaging with videos, knowing how to check your comments is essential for building connections and growing your audience. Today, in this quick 2025 guide, I'll walk you through the steps to check your YouTube comments efficiently. Let's dive right in. First off, make sure you're logged into your YouTube account. This is the gateway to all your interactions, so head to youtube.com or open the YouTube app and sign in with your Google credentials. Once you're in, we'll start with checking comments on your own videos. Step 1. Click on your profile picture in the top right corner of the screen. From the drop-down menu, select YouTube Studio. This is your creator hub, packed with tools for managing your content. Step 2. In YouTube Studio, look for the left-hand menu and click on Comments. Here, you'll see a dashboard of all comments on your videos. You can sort them by date, video, or even use the new 2025 AI filters to prioritize positive feedback or flag potential issues. Step 3. To reply or manage comments, simply click on the one you want to interact with. You can like, reply, or delete as needed. Don't forget, YouTube's 2025 updates include smarter notifications, so go to your settings and enable alerts for new comments to stay on top of discussions. Now, if you're checking comments on videos that aren't yours, it's even simpler. Just navigate to any video, scroll down to the comments section, and you'll see all the viewer interactions there. Engage thoughtfully to foster community. A quick tip: always respond positively to build loyalty, and keep an eye out for YouTube's evolving features in 2025 for better moderation tools. That's it for this tutorial. If you found this helpful, hit that like button, subscribe for more tips, and drop a comment below. Thanks for watching, and see you in the next video.